What are you crazy people doing? You're supposed to be unloading the dishwasher.
No, we're not.
No biting. George, you have been bad, George. George, you are not being good. If you do not unload, you will have to be punished. You will have to be punished, George, if you are not good. Oh, you will find out, George. You will find out. You better be good, George. Be good and unload.
I'm a good George. I'm a nice George. I am not a punishing George.
Hello, George. Hello, George. Can I pet you? Yes, George. Hello, George. Hello, George. Hello, George. Hello, George. How are you? How are you, George? How are you? How are you? How are you, George? Hello, George. Hello, George. Hello, George. Are you good, George? Are you good? You should be unloading, George. You must be punished if you do not unload.
Oh my God! Feel what it feels like. Hello.
George, why are you not unloading? Do you need to be punished? What are you doing, George? Oh no, George! George, are you dying? Do I need to take you out back and bury you, George? Are you dying? Maybe if I step on you, you will feel better. Feel better, George. Come on. Feel better. Feel better, George. Get up, George. Get up. What are you doing, George?
Johnny Grab it, George. Johnny Grab it. You should be. George, Johnny Grab it. George, Johnny Grab it. George, Johnny Grab it. Whoa.
Unload, George. Unload. I am going to have to punish you now, George. I am going to punish you. Oh no, George. Oh no. What are you doing, George? You are supposed to be unloading. Meanwhile, dinner is making a mess by spilling. Am I in your way, George?
Yes.
Am I in your way? Do you
Yes.
need me to move?
Yes.
Should I move, George? Should I move? Should I move out of your way?
Yes!
Okay, George. Okay. I am stepping in a dog bowl.
That's George. Maxwell! Why did you put that away then? Get down, George. Down, George. Good George. What are you? Ah! Doesn't fit. This does not fit. Goes in here for now. Dad, I need your help here.
You do not need my help, George. You can do it.
Yes, I do. I can't reach that.
You don't have to reach that. You can put it in the drawer.
These?
You're shaking my camera. You are bad, George. You are bad. You are bad. You are bad, George. Seriously, you guys need to unload. Come on, George. Unload the dishwasher, George. Unload, unload, unload. Come on, George. Let's go. Come on, George. Come on, George. There are some cups left. They need to go away. Put the cups away, George. Come on, George.
George can do it. Not. Abominate snow monster. Do you know wheelchairs I can use?
Come on, George. Come on. You can do it. Look, George. George is getting the cups. See, George? George is doing a good job. Do a good job like George, George.
Dad, who are you talking to?
I am talking to George, George.
Who is George?
You are George.
Who's the other George?
George.
Who is the other George? George.
You are George.
Now be your George own business. George, abominable snow monster.
If you get too close, I cannot see all of your face.
Then I'll whack your face out of this thing, so you'll never see it again.
Do not whap me, George. you will get in trouble, and then you will be punished.
Hey, Daddy, where's this cover?
It goes under the counter. Come on, George. Put it away. Put it away, George. Hey, George, you are done, George. You are good, George. I will love you, and I will pet you, and I will call you George. Come here, George. Come on, George.